Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to get Facebook Marketplace back on your iPhone. For that, first of all, open or launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and hit on the setting and privacy and go through the settings. Now scroll down. Under the section of preferences, you will see navigation bar. If you don't have it here, then on the searching bar, search for navigation bar. Now, once you go through it, select the customize the bar and make sure that marketplace is not set to hidden. Once you do that, you are good to go. In this way, you can easily get Facebook Marketplace back on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.